The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences has decided to award the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry jointly to Thomas Lindahl, Paul Modrich, and Aziz Sanjar for mechanistic studies of DNA repair.
Changes to this reaction happens about 200 times.
Our cells, our bodies, and our genetic material, the DNA, is constantly assailed by sunlight, by cigarette smoke, by all kinds of assaults from the outside, and also internal processes in the cell that damage our DNA. And what these three laureates have explained in exquisite detail is how our cells can correct all these damages to the DNA and rebuild the DNA, rebuild the genetic material.